coming to the topic of difficulties in life, we all know that everyone experiences difficulties and all have some type of problems in their life. So difficulties, they are an inevitable part of human experience. Difficulties can happen in various areas of life. It can be related to education like studies or any college, workplace, job related, health issues, marriage and family issues, financial issues, and many more. Whatever be the problem and whatever be the extent of the problem, always remember that each person has the ability to solve his or her own problems. So how to solve these difficulties in life and move on in life through the face of tough situations? So there are some techniques and skills. We have to take it in a systematic way. The first point is truth or lie. Whether it is truth or lie, both have a common similarity. Both cannot be hidden for long time. At end, either truth or lie, it comes out. Second point is silence and smile. These both are two powerful tools that we can use to tackle some type of difficulties. Smile is a way to solve many problems. Silence is a way to avoid many problems. If you avoid conflicts, most of the problems get reduced, for at least for some extent. Most of the time, we think that we have problems, difficulties in our life, but actually they will not be the real problems. They will be related to our thinking, our imagination, and the attitude and the way we take them. And if it is really a problem, then surely there will be a solution for that. Sometimes it happens that you will not be able to find the solution for any problem. That doesn't mean that there is no solution. It is just a matter of skill, stress relief, motivating yourself, psychological growth, spiritual development that is needed in yourself. Sometimes there is requirement of time and patience, avoiding overthinking, imagination. Sometimes it can be just a communication problem, or there may be no proper problem identification itself. The extent to which you think or imagine the problem will be, you may think that it is very hard to face, but it will not be the actual case. When you have uncertainty, never think much. Just sit back and relax and let the nature do all the things when it is beyond your hands. Always there has been no history where a great person has never met any great trials and opposition. Only his patience, endurance and perseverance has helped him or her. There are many techniques to solve any problem or difficulties in life. We can take backward search, planning strategy, thinking aloud, or any other techniques. There are no problems that do not have solutions, and we have to take things in a positive way because problems make us stronger.